I would like to, first of all, say congratulations to all of us on the 74th anniversary of the Training Command. Today, we honor 74 years of excellence, discipline, and transformation. This is not just marking a date. We are recognizing a command that has shaped every Filipino soldier who has ever taken oath to defend the Republic. Every success of the Philippine Army began here in your training grounds and our classrooms and our leadership institutions. This year, I challenge everyone to meet our uncompromising standard. We are training to win. We do not train to pass the time. We do not train to meet quotas. We do not train to produce mediocrity. We train to win because our country deserves nothing less. And this is what defines this training command. We are here to produce winners. I see my job here is like I am trying to coach a winning basketball team, although I've never coached a winning basketball team in my life. I have coached a winning taekwondo team. We produce winners. Winners in discipline, winners in character, winners in leadership, and most of all, where we are tested with our mettle, we are winners in battle. Today, we also acknowledge that this approach must evolve because of two consequential changes in our security environment. First is the significant decline in the operational strength of the CPP-NPA, and the second is China's increasingly aggressive, coercive, illegal, and destructive activities against our republic. These realities demand that our training remains adaptive, relevant, and forward-looking. To meet these challenges, we have to embrace four training imperatives. First, we have to train real or pagsasanay ng makatotohanan. The modern battlefield is unforgiving. Training has to be realistic, stressful, and demanding, forcing our soldiers to make decisions under fatigue, friction, and uncertainty. Hard training today prevents casualties tomorrow. Second, we have to train together or train as a team. Victory is a team effort. Joint and combined training across Army units with all the other service components and also with that of our allies ensures that we fight as one cohesive, interoperable force. Third, we have to train smart. Training must not only be hard, it must be efficient, purposeful, and intelligent. We must maximize resources, integrate modern learning systems, leverage simulation, and innovate our methods so that every hour of our training yields maximum operational value. A smartly trained soldier is a soldier who thinks ahead, able to adapt fast, and will dominate the fight. And lastly, we have to train for tomorrow. Our future battlefield will require adaptability and technological fluency. Not to mention, we will have to fight in all domains, whether it's the physical domain or the non-physical domain. Our training must account for cyber operations, information warfare, unmanned systems, and emerging technologies, and data-driven decision-making. As we train to win, we have to renew our solemn commitment to remain professionals. In the truest sense, servants of the people, guardians of the peace, defenders of our democratic institutions. We are soldiers of the Republic, not of any faction or personal interest. Our loyalty is to the Constitution, to the rule of law, and to the Filipino people. In every class that we conduct, in every course, in every leader that we develop, we instill integrity, accountability, and respect for human rights, and the adherence to our democratic ideals. Because the strength of the Army lies not only in its ability to win battles, but in its unwavering fidelity to the principles of a free and just society. To the officers, NCOs, our training staff, and our civilian human resources of this command, your work forms the backbone of the Philippine Army. You may not always be at the front lines, but your influence in every soldier who returns home alive, in every patrol, in every operation, in every exercise, in every patrol ends with comes home safe to their families without bloodshed, is already a successful mission. You, all of you, produce winners. To our students, our soldier trainees, you are the future leaders. Remember that training shapes your destiny. The habits that you pick up here today will become your reflexes in combat. Embrace the hardship. Embrace it. Seek the difficulty. Master the fundamentals. Think, adapt, excel. Because here in Training Command, you are forged for one purpose and one purpose only. It is trained to win. Because we produce winners. So on this 74th anniversary, we reaffirm our mandate to forge warriors, to strengthen the army, to defend the nation, and to train to win. Because we produce winners. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Training Command. Mabuhay ang Philippine Army. Happy 74th anniversary.